Let's define success on YouTube. We've all got different points of view about what success means. But I really believe that YouTube success is not about the first one to the finishing line, or it's not about being in the top 500 creator channels, or even reaching 1 million views or 1,000 subscribers. I think we have to understand that YouTube is not a competition. It's really a fantastic video marketing tool, but I really believe that the real success lies in creating a hub or community that loves and appreciates what you do. And it all boils down to turning a channel concept into a thriving channel with a loyal and engaged growing audience. And it really doesn't matter what topic or subject matter your channel is about, or even how many weekly subscribers and views you get. Your success on YouTube really is determined by growing and developing your creator value and delivering a consistent quality viewer experience, attracting a relevant and engaged audience for your niche, and finally being rewarded for that effort and that you provide, and whether it's by reaching new audiences or monetization or even both. Now that's what I call YouTube success. Understanding YouTube's ecosystem will really help you figure out how to work with it. There's the creators. So those people like you and me who create and upload video content. And then there's the audience. So basically, these are the viewers who watch the videos. And then there's the advertisers, who are basically businesses and organisations that really want to advertise and get in front of targeted audience to promote their goods and services. YouTube is a digital video technology company with 3 notable parts. It has the platform, obviously, it has the algorithm, and it also has the search engine. So let's talk about each of these in more detail so you can fully grasp an understanding of how the whole thing works. The YouTube platform is basically a free video sharing global network which has the capability to suggest your videos and your video content to relevant audiences on its site. It trawls through billions of video content and decides which videos get promoted or ranked to targeted audiences, which is based on the YouTube algorithm. It truly differs from other social media platforms as your videos remain evergreen content, which basically means that viewers can binge watch your entire video catalogue once they discover you. How your videos get found has a lot to do with the algorithm, but there's been a lot of talk on how to beat the algorithm or how to hack the algorithm in order to get ahead of YouTube's rankings. However, from my experience, there's only one way to get your videos suggested to relevant viewers, and that's to understand and work with the algorithm. As I understand it, the only time YouTube may interfere is if an account creator has violated the YouTube policies or community guidelines. If a creator has got 3 strikes against them, then YouTube will take action and can close the account. So we want to be wary of that. And remember to read and adhere to their community guidelines, and I'll put a link up to where you can find those in the resources section of the course. So let's look at the algorithm in a bit more detail so you know what you're working with. The algorithm is a computer program coded by humans. It's kind of like a robot that's programmed to recommend relevant video to relevant audiences. The way I look at it is it's like the Wizard of Oz. There's a man in the back room controlling the powerful and mighty wizard. So the way I see it is that the algorithm does what it's told to do by human programmers who tell it what to do and how to behave. Then it uses its own intelligence to look at patterns of viewing behaviour in order to identify who is most likely going to enjoy watching your videos. So it really is doing all the heavy lifting. In summary, YouTube humans tell the algorithm to find valuable video content by assessing millions of data points, and then the algorithm recommends relevant videos to targeted audiences on a 24/7 hour, 365-day-a-year basis. So the key thing to remember is that it recognizes through various triggers which videos are of value to particular audiences. Those videos with the most value get surfaced and ranked in search, suggested and recommended rankings to your relevant audience. It does all the heavy lifting so you can focus on your video content. What could be more powerful than that to get free exposure? Now, let's talk about YouTube as a search engine. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world and is owned by Google, the biggest search engine in the world. And again, if your video content on YouTube is considered valuable, you're rewarded with higher rankings on YouTube and Google search. So whatever type of creator you are, there's lots of opportunity for growth through organic search and discovery.